Hi guys! So I'm off to somewhere. It's my first time traveling alone. Pero bago ang lahat, kain muna. This is my food, laksa soup. Let's eat. Thank you po. And also, pancake with bacon. So we're here na. And this is the pool area. There are 3 pools down here, total of 3. Yeah. And this is the beach front. So I am staying here at Henan Regency Hotel. So pagkalabas is beach area na. Since it's 2, I'll find something to eat. Ooh, may birthday party. So, hanap ko na ng kakainan. Nakita ko sa TikTok yung burger ng Andok. So I'll try the Lupito burger and spaghetti shop. So I'll be staying here in an Regency. This is the bathroom. And this is the kama, of course. Yeah, guys. Okay. There's ano bang view here? Oh. Okay. So, that's it. Bye-bye, guys. Let's go. This is the hallway of the Henan Regency. It's very nice. Pwede na. And pagkalabas lang is nandun na yung beach area, guys. Okay? Hi, guys. Tagpak yun. Look at the view. Very nice. This is the main pool area. With bar. Hi guys. So, matutulog na. It's 7:13 pa lang. So, pahinga muna saglit. And then, I'll eat dinner. And let's see kung anong ganap sa nightlife dito sa Boracay. So, ano ba? It's good to explore. You should also try na mag-isa minsan. It's nice. It's a nice experience. Okay? So, I'll let you know later if saan ako magdi-dinner. And kung anong ganap mamayang gabi. Siguro I'll drink some konti. Okay? See you later, guys. I'll take rest for a while. Hi, guys. So, I will find something to eat. Ano yun? Okay. I'll find something to eat. Boracay at night. Here at Queen Bee.
Searching for you when you are not around. I've been searching for you all my life. I get in your bed, baby. 'Cause I want you bad. 'Cause I want you.
Good morning. Let's eat breakfast. Para namamagay mukha ako. Here's the food. Cheese. Bread. And there. This. Salad. Fairness, maraming option. My food, guys. Hello, guys. So, ako yung nakatulog after mag-breakfast. So, need na natin tumayo. Anong oras na ba? It's 1 p.m. So, lalabas na muna. Okay? At enjoy ng dagat. Naliligo muna ako at maglibihas. Later! I'm done. This is my day 3 outfit. Let's go sa labas. Let's tambay sa beach. Later, guys. So, let's go. Pwede bumalik muna. Kasi nakalimutan ko mag-sunscreen, guys. Baka masunog ang aking mukha. So, let's go to the beach. So, merienda time. Of course, popcorn is life. Okay. This is life. Gahanap na ako ng mapapangasawa dito. Dito na ako titira. Dito ko lang pala try sa Boracay. Saya ko. Ang pait na nakakain ko, nakagat ko pala yung buto. Oh, sorry po. Dami naman buto nun. By the way, guys. Ano ba? Hindi na ako mag-isa. Hi guys! So finally, I'm not alone anymore. Salamat sa pagsunod ah. Salamat sa pagsunod ah. After 2 days of being alone. Thank you ah. May makakasama na ako mag-dinner. Okay, so it's almost sunset na! It's almost sunset na. Hinintay na lang namin. Yan. So they arrived 2 p.m. ata. Later. Biglang dumami ang tao. Lahat is naghihintay sa sunset. Look at the sun, guys. It's so nice here.
Don't let these ones bother me. They see pictures, they burn on fire at night. Some shit sent down the table.
Hi guys. So biglang umulan and ako'y nagugutom. Look what I bought. Pansit canton. Nagluluto ako ng pansit canton. Sakto may chicken pa sa room. So perfect combo. It's raining here. Biglang umulan. Handang oras. It's 2 a.m. After party, syempre gutom. Diba? So, kakainin muna akong pansit canton and chicken. Problema ko niyan, walang pinggan sa room. Ang meron lang is initan ng tubig and kutsara. Gagawa na lang natin ng paraan. So, nasan ba? Yan. So, I'm here na sa room. So, prepare muna ako ng food, guys. Okay? Let's put some food. Chicken. Don't want any chicken. So, we'll find. Put them yarn. Any chicken. Hi guys, good morning. I'm with my roommate. Remy.
Morning!
Masaya naman ako at may kasama na ako sa room ngayon. Ngayong umaga. At makakasama na ako mag-breakfast. Finally, let's go. Oras na ba? Ay, yung key card. Oo. I'll bring ano na lang din. Kasi dapat daw naka-casual. Casual. Walang sleepwear. Pero tamad ako magbihis. Kaya Sando Gaming tayo today. What? Ah, okay. Hi! It's a gloomy weather. Walang araw today. Sana tomorrow may may araw na. Today is my last day of filming, guys. Para hindi na mahaba yung video. Ano ba? Walang araw.
Kaya nga, punta kami sa ni Tita Liz.
Okay, so we'll eat muna breakfast. This is our food. Hindi na sa'yo? Hi! Salamat naman at nandito kayo. Hello po, good morning po. Tito, happy Father's Day po. Mainit. It's a windy day. It's the calmest water. Pero ngayon hindi masyado. Kasi medyo makulimlim. Hindi may araw. Mahangin lang pala talaga. Siya ang dakilang tagatawad. Madam. On our way to... Patay pa to. Bulabot? Bulabog. Bulabog Beach? Yes, I like the reimbursement. 15,000. Pangiti-ngiti pa yan.
Ayan na! Ako yung feeling ko mapipilit ka mag-parasail.
Oh shit.
Ay, ano dito? Yung water activity. Tara, parasail.
Tara. So kami ay magwa-water activity na. Taray, madam ah. We'll try parasailing, banana boat, and jet ski. Okay, so look guys, so it's so nice. Oh shit! Ay, sorry po. Dulas moment. Dude. Thank you po.
Dito ka na.
Yan. So, on to our destination. So, sa ulog phone ko, no?
Hi! Ay, sorry. Hi!
Oh, shit! Masama na! Waiting area. It's... Oo nga, no? Ah, talaga? Laman ng wallet ko, 20. Ay, mo na bata. Ay mo, makabata ka na. Makabata ka 16. On to our first
Parasailing!
water activity. Ah, talaga? With our guardian, Mother Superior. Sisip, pansit. deciding factor kung anong kulay ng jet ski.
Mga ambisyoso naman. Saka yung may nakuha ba may jet ski pag
Jowain mo si kuya para libre ka. Jowain mo na yung isa dyan para libre ka. O sige, ayaw mo ako na. On to our last activity, banana boat. We are done, guys. So far, this is the best banana boat ride ever. Sa Zambales is boring and also sa north. Okay. That's it with our water activities. Say hi, guys! Hi! Okay, sulit. Lobat na yung social battery ko. So, that's it, guys. For the water activities that we had. Magla-lunch muna kami.
Water.
Here at...
Pwede ba pahingin
Asan ba
ako ng
tayo?
water? Thank you po.
Backyard barbecue.
May masal sa'yo? May masal?
Super haggard. Let's eat. Let's eat. Let's eat. Thank you, madam. Thank you, madam. Busog na naman. Good evening. Kami ay magtsatsyangge sa D-Mall. D-Mall ba? Ay, iba ba yun? Ay, sorry. Station 3 pala kami papunta. Okay. Galit na naman siya. Let's go to Station 3. Kasi we're staying in Station 2. Station 2 tayo nag-stay.
Station 2, Hinanad, Regency.
Regency.
Group of hotels.
Okay. May nagpa-fire dance. Dito kay Ate Nawak Souvenir Shop.
Nakasalamat na nga mabalik kami dito.
Next year pa babalik kung makapagpaalam ka naman. Thank you po. Here's the food. Hi. Happy Father's Day po, Tito.
Ako ba din mo?
Ano?
Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day. Thank you, madam.
Sponsor.
Oo. Ano yung suot mo? Dolce & Gabbana ba yun? Let's eat.
Baka naman chan. Baka naman chan. Kuya, baka na rin chan.
Oh. Para kalahati nung in-order ko, kumain na. Ilang months na ba yan? So guys, ayan. Sobrang busog. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like... Bakit? Outro. It's... Wala lang. Enjoy ko na lang yung stay dito. And this is my outro. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to...
Like and subscribe.
Talaga. Shout out to my 300 subscribers. Bye!
Bye!